I swapped the pieces of my GAN 13 maglev and my MOYU RS3M to see what happens, because I was bored. So as you can see, this is the GAN 13 maglev with MOYU RS3M pieces, with some MOYU RS3M corner. And this is a MOYU RS3M core with GAN 13 maglev pieces. Now, first impressions, the MOYU RS3M with GAN 13 pieces doesn't turn that well, to be honest. It turned about as good as a normal MOYU RS3M. But then, on the other hand, the MOYU RS3M with the GAN core, oh my god, that turns so well. A bit too well, in my opinion. Often overshoot stuff, so it's a bit wrong. Yeah, as you can see, these are the 13 pieces, and these are the RS3M. Of course, this RS3M is a maglev, so the maglev core does pretty much nothing apart from the centers. And so, basically, yeah, this one very fast, faster than any cube I've felt so far. But it feels a lot looser too, which is weird because I haven't changed the settings on this core at all, which is a bit weird. And this feels a lot tighter. So those pieces on the cube make it tighter rather than the centers. I don't know. If you know about that, please tell me in the comments, but yeah. I'm going to do a solve on both of them. First, the MOYU RS3M with GAN 13 maglev pieces. So let me just scramble this up real quick. Alright, fully scrambled cube. Let's see how long it takes. This cube sucks, to be honest. Or I just suck at cubing, either way. Stupid G-thumbs. Terrible time on that was 31 seconds. Oh my god. But now for the GAN 13 maglev with MOYU RS3M pieces. Let's see how this goes. So. Yeah, this pops a lot, by the way, so that sucks. I keep overshooting this. I should probably put that in. Oh my god. Neither of them was sub 30, that. I average about 20 seconds. That just shows you how not used to these cubes I am. This is way too fast and way too loose as well, like, it pops a lot. If I can actually get it to pop now, that'd be great. Oh my god. Let's do F12 again because of that. It's also extremely loud, and normally the MOYU RS3M is quieter, so I think it's the cores that makes the sound. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the cubing guys, and I would really not recommend these cubes unless you can get used to really fast. This thing really fast, but like don't swap these pieces. If you, yeah, basically. Yeah, so, bye, I guess. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Really keep me guys.